Hi, Bestie viewers! Castor oil, a versatile and natural remedy, has been cherished for centuries for its impressive range of health benefits. Extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, this thick amber oil is more than just a simple treatment. It's a powerhouse of health-boosting properties. From enhancing skin and hair health to improving digestion and relieving pain, castor oil offers a natural solution to many common health issues. Whether you're looking to soothe sore joints or seek a gentle approach to cleansing your body, castor oil might just be the ingredient you need. In today's video, we will talk about the 10 health benefits of castor oil when used carefully. But it does not mean that everything is safe and sound when using castor oil. To find out the truth, watch till the very end. Let's get started. 1. Promotes hair growth. Ricinoleic acid, a rare monounsaturated fatty acid found in high concentrations in castor oil, is particularly noteworthy for its ability to improve scalp health. It enhances blood circulation to the scalp, which may lead to an increased flow of nutrients to the hair follicles. This is crucial because improved blood circulation helps to strengthen the roots of the hair and promote healthier hair growth. Additionally, ricinoleic acid has anti-inflammatory properties that may help soothe the scalp and reduce issues like dandruff, which often hinder hair growth by causing follicle damage. Additionally, the protein prostaglandin D2, also known as PGD2, is one of the factors that keeps the hair from growing back. It is very common in male pattern baldness. A study found that ricinoleic acid may help inhibit PGD2 and potentially help scalp hair grow back. Typically, you may apply castor oil directly to the scalp, massaging it thoroughly to ensure it covers all areas of the scalp, especially those where hair thinning is noticeable. After applying the oil, it's beneficial to leave it on for at least an hour. Following this, washing the hair with a gentle shampoo will help remove any oil residue. For best results, this treatment may be done up to twice a week. 2. Moisturizes skin. Castor oil is also an occlusive agent, which means it may form a protective barrier on the skin surface. This barrier helps to lock in moisture by preventing water loss through the skin's outer layer, especially in harsh weather conditions or in air-conditioned environments where the air is dry. This barrier may be particularly beneficial in keeping the skin soft and well moisturized. This occlusive layer does not just trap moisture, but also protects the skin from environmental toxins and dirt, which may contribute to dryness and irritation. Additionally, ricinoleic acid in castor oil acts as a humectant, which means it tracks water molecules from the air to the skin, helping to keep the skin hydrated continuously. This property is especially valuable in maintaining skin elasticity and suppleness. Humectants are crucial for long-term hydration and may help delay the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by keeping the skin plump and moist. A few drops of castor oil may be warmed between the hands and then massaged into the skin, focusing on dry or rough areas such as elbows, knees, and heels. For facial application, because castor oil is quite thick, mixing it with a lighter carrier oil like almond or coconut oil may make it easier to spread and reduce any potential for clogging pores. Apply this mixture in the evening, allowing it to absorb overnight for maximum hydration. 3. Improves wound healing. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil are largely due to the high concentration of ricinoleic acid. Inflammation is a natural part of the wound healing process, but excessive inflammation may delay recovery and increase discomfort. Ricinoleic acid helps modulate the body's inflammatory response, reducing swelling, redness, and pain at the wound site. This not only makes the healing process more comfortable but also quicker, as excessive inflammation may impede the new tissue formation necessary for wound closure. Additionally, castor oil promotes the growth of new tissue, which is essential for wound healing. This is partly due to its ability to penetrate deep into skin layers and nourish them, providing a favorable environment for tissue regeneration. Castor oil also stimulates the production of collagen, a vital protein in wound healing, which helps in the development of new skin cells and strengthens the wounded area. Apply a small amount of castor oil directly to the cleaned wound using a clean cotton swab or sterile gauze. It's important to cover the area with a sterile bandage after applying the oil to keep the area clean and allow the oil to work effectively without rubbing off. Reapply castor oil and change the dressing daily until the wound starts to show significant signs of healing. 4. Fight skin infections. The antimicrobial properties of castor oil are significant, with studies highlighting its effectiveness against bacteria and fungi that commonly cause skin infections. This antimicrobial activity stems from ricinoleic acid, the predominant fatty acid in castor oil. Ricinoleic acid has been shown to inhibit the growth of bacteria such as Staphylococcus aureus and Candida albicans, both of which are frequent culprits in skin infections and conditions like acne, fungal infections, and dermatitis. By applying castor oil to infected areas, it acts directly against these pathogens, reducing their numbers and mitigating infection risks. Furthermore, the antioxidants present in castor oil, including vitamin E, may also protect the skin from bacterial infections by keeping out microbes that may cause disease. Start by cleaning the affected area with mild soap and water to remove any debris or contaminants. Dry the area gently, then apply a small amount of castor oil using a clean cotton ball or pad. It's advisable to cover the area with a breathable bandage if needed to keep the oil in place and protect the skin. This application may be repeated twice daily until signs of infection diminish. 5. May reduce dry eye symptom. The viscous nature of castor oil allows it to serve effectively as an ocular lubricant. When applied to the eyes, it forms a smooth, stable layer over the tear film, which helps to prevent the rapid evaporation of tears. This viscosity means that the oil remains on the surface of the eye longer than water-based lubricants, providing prolonged relief and comfort. By reducing tear evaporation, castor oil helps maintain necessary moisture levels in the eyes, which is crucial for those suffering from dry eye symptoms. Furthermore, castor oil may help stabilize the tear film by enhancing the lipid layer, which is the outermost layer of the tear film. This lipid layer is critical for reducing tear evaporation. Castor oil contributes essential fatty acids that strengthen this lipid layer, leading to a more stable and durable tear film. A robust lipid layer is vital for long-term management of dry eye, as it helps sustain eye moisture and reduces tear evaporation over extended periods. In a study on 5 normal and 10 dry eye subjects, each received a single drop with tear film monitored for 4 hours. Results showed castor oil increased tear film lipid levels and thickness, remaining effective for 4 hours. To use castor oil for reducing dry eye symptoms, it's important to consult your healthcare provider. 6. Soothes dry, chapped lips. Secondly, castor oil acts as a protective barrier on the lips. When applied, it forms a thick layer that shields the lips from harsh environmental conditions, such as cold temperatures and wind, which are common causes of dryness and chapping. This barrier not only locks in the moisture that the oil itself provides, but also stops the lip's own natural moisture from evaporating. The protective layer also shields the delicate skin of the lips from irritants that may exacerbate chapping and dryness. Additional exacerbating factors that may lead to the development of dry lips include dry climates with highs or lows and ultraviolet exposure. Castor oil is rich in essential nutrients such as vitamin E, which is known for its skin healing properties. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, helping to protect the lips from oxidative stress caused by free radicals and environmental aggressors like UV rays and pollution. This nutrient also promotes the repair of damaged skin cells on the lips, speeding up the healing process of chapped areas and improving overall lip health. To use castor oil for dry and chapped lips, Apply a small amount directly to the lips using a clean finger or a cotton swab. It's best to apply castor oil at bedtime, allowing it to act overnight for maximum absorption and effectiveness. 7. Thickens eyebrow and eyelash. The high ricinoleic acid content of castor oil is crucial for promoting hair growth. Ricinoleic acid is known to stimulate the prostaglandin E2 receptor, which plays a role in hair follicle function and growth. By applying castor oil to the eyelashes and eyebrows, this fatty acid may help increase blood circulation to the follicles, enhancing the delivery of nutrients necessary for hair growth. This increased nourishment may stimulate dormant hair follicles, leading to thicker growth as more hairs begin to grow, where they may have been sparse before. According to a study with 26 patients applying 100% cold-pressed castor oil twice daily for 4 weeks showed reduced ocular surface signs and symptoms in patients with blepharitis. It is an inflammation that affects the eyelid and often results in the shedding of eyelashes. To use castor oil for thickening eyelashes and eyebrows effectively, it's important to apply it correctly. Using a clean eyelash brush or a cotton swab, apply a small amount of castor oil to the eyelashes and eyebrows at night before bed. Be cautious to avoid getting oil into the eyes as it may cause irritation. 8. Alleviates joint pain. Castor oil helps to improve blood circulation, which is an essential factor in managing joint pain. Enhanced circulation ensures that more oxygen and nutrients reach the painful joints, which may help speed up the healing process and reduce pain. Improved blood flow also helps in the removal of toxins and inflammatory markers that may contribute to joint pain. This is particularly beneficial for those with chronic joint conditions where circulation might be compromised. Castor oil acts as a natural analgesic, providing pain relief by creating a soothing warmth when applied topically. This warmth may help to relax stiff muscles and joints, making it easier to move without pain. The analgesic properties of castor oil may be attributed to its fatty acid content, which, when absorbed through the skin, may help to alleviate deep tissue pain and soreness. A randomized, double-blind clinical study compared castor oil and diclofenac sodium for treating knee osteoarthritis. 50 patients who took castor oil capsules 3 times daily for 4 weeks showed significant improvement without adverse reactions. This study suggests castor oil is a safe and effective treatment for knee osteoarthritis. To use castor oil for joint pain relief, it's recommended to apply it in a warm state to increase its effectiveness. Then massage the warm oil directly into the affected joints. This may be done through gentle circular motions that help to further stimulate blood flow to the area. Covering the treated joint with a soft cloth and then applying a heating pad may enhance the oil's penetration and effectiveness. This treatment may be performed once or twice daily, depending on the severity of the pain. 9. Promotes sleep. Various parts of the castor oil plant have been used to treat sleeplessness and insomnia. The ability of castor oil to relax muscles may contribute significantly to its sleep-promoting properties. Castor oil has a soothing effect when applied topically, which may help relieve tension in the muscles. This relaxation of the body's muscles may ease physical discomfort, a common barrier to falling asleep or achieving deep, restful sleep. By reducing muscle tension, castor oil may help create a more comfortable state that is conducive to sleep. Moreover, castor oil is thought to stimulate the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system helps in detoxifying the body, and its efficient functioning is crucial for overall health and well-being. Anecdotal evidence suggests that improving lymphatic circulation through the use of castor oil packs may help induce relaxation and improve sleep quality, possibly by aiding the body's natural detox processes during rest. This could make the body feel more relaxed and comfortable, thereby promoting better sleep. To use castor oil to promote sleep, it is commonly applied in the form of a castor oil pack. Soak a piece of clean cloth in castor oil. Place the soaked cloth on the abdomen, which is said to help with relaxation and stimulate the lymphatic system. Cover the cloth with plastic wrap and place a heating pad or a hot water bottle over it to keep it warm. The warmth may further help in relaxing the muscles and absorbing the oil. Leave the pack on for about 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime. 10. May be helpful for cleaning and storing dentures. Castor oil's viscous nature might hypothetically make it useful for creating a protective coating on dentures. If used, this coating could potentially help keep the dentures moist, which is crucial when they are not in use. Dentures need to remain moist to maintain their shape and prevent them from drying out and becoming brittle. Applying a thin layer of castor oil could, in theory, serve as a barrier against air, which might help prevent the acrylic from warping or cracking due to dryness. Additionally, the antimicrobial properties of castor oil, particularly its effectiveness against certain bacteria and fungi, could hypothetically offer benefits for sanitizing dentures. Regular denture cleaning products aim to reduce microbial buildup that may cause gum infections and bad breath. If castor oil were to be used on dentures, it might help inhibit the growth of these microbes, thus contributing to a cleaner oral appliance. However, it is important to note that this is speculative and not a common or recommended practice in dental hygiene. To hypothetically use castor oil for dentures, you might consider applying a small amount of oil to a clean cloth to rub over the dentures, creating a thin protective layer. For storage, dentures should ideally be kept in water or a denture-soaking solution to prevent deformation, but if castor oil were to be used, it should be applied sparingly to avoid any buildup that could affect the fit of the dentures. Now let's discuss who should not use castor oil. Castor oil, despite its many benefits, is not suitable for everyone and may cause adverse effects in certain situations. 1. Pregnant women. Castor oil is known to stimulate the intestines and uterus, which may lead to contractions. It has historically been used to induce labor, so pregnant women should avoid using castor oil unless under direct medical supervision. 2. Individuals with intestinal blockages or bowel diseases. Because castor oil works as a stimulant laxative, it may exacerbate conditions like Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, diverticulitis, or any intestinal blockages. People with these conditions should not use castor oil due to the potential for severe abdominal pain and complications. 3. People with allergies or sensitive skin. Some individuals may be allergic to castor oil. Those with a history of skin reactions or allergies to other oils or skincare products should perform a patch test before using castor oil extensively, particularly on sensitive areas. 4. Children under 12 years old. For young children, it is typically not advised to use castor oil as a laxative unless a pediatrician prescribes it. The strong action of castor oil may be harsh for their digestive systems. 5. People taking certain medications. Castor oil may interact with various medications, including diuretics, anticoagulants, and anti-diabetic drugs, affecting their efficacy. It's important for anyone on prescription medications to consult their doctor before using castor oil. 6. People scheduled for surgery. Due to its effect on muscle contractions and bowel movements, castor oil should not be used before undergoing surgery. It may affect fluid balance and electrolyte levels, complicating surgical procedures and recovery. 7. Individuals with chronic dehydration or electrolyte imbalances. As a laxative, castor oil may cause fluid loss and potentially lead to dehydration or disturb electrolyte levels. People suffering from conditions that predispose them to dehydration or electrolyte imbalances should avoid its use. For those considering castor oil for medical or cosmetic purposes, it is always advisable to consult a healthcare provider to ensure it is safe and appropriate for their specific health conditions. After careful application of castor oil, you may get multiple benefits that support good health and healthy skin. Stay vigilant. Stay healthy. Now that we have discussed the many health benefits that castor oil offers, let's dive into other topics of interest. Interested in knowing more about tips and tricks to shed pounds easily? Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more weight loss related videos, shall we? Watch 16 healthy foods that help you lose the most weight. You may also try our video on 13 weight loss tips to get rid of your bloated belly fat. Go ahead and click one. Or, better yet, watch both and learn more about weight loss and nutrition. Will you be incorporating castor oil into your routine from now on? Let us know in the comments below.